A very important topic for your upcoming examination: new higher educational institutions established in India in the years 2023 and 2024. Now, these are extremely important, where they are located and which institutions. So, possible question for your upcoming examination, and since it's an online mode, you have sets of papers. So, each place can be in one set of paper. So, understand and remember those well. So, among the newly established IITs are IIT Bhilai, Tirupati and Jammu. Then we have Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing at Kanchipuram, Indian Institute of Skill at Kanpur. These are really important. A new AIIMS being established at Vijaypur in Samba in Jammu district. Then IIM, 3 new IIM in Jammu, Bodh Gaya and Vishakhapatnam. So Jammu now has IIT, IIM as well as AIIMS. So all three premier institutes for engineering, medical and management now in Jammu. Also, Central Sanskrit University would be established, and this university, two centers have been assigned. One is in Uttarakhand at Devprayag, the other is in Agartala in Tripura. So those are some of the important institutions that you must remember have been established recently, and therefore becomes an important topic for your upcoming examination. Many such higher education current affairs topics which are highly applicable for your upcoming NET examinations will be covering in the upcoming sessions. Wish you very good luck for your upcoming examination. And yes, even for paper 2, if you want comprehensive preparation material, here is the detail for those. Also for paper 1, the complete series of lectures are available which would cover all the updates till now. Wish you all the best. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect on the number below. Thanks for joining in.